Welcome folks, Dave Daniels, Coachman Class C's here. Today we're going to show you the Leprechaun 260DS. So folks, we're going to start here on the exterior of the Leprechaun 260DS. This is in our full body paint option. It's the Ocean full body paint feature with a nice high-end automotive paint. As part of the full body paint option, you're also going to get the diamond shield, the paint protection up front that's going to protect from rock chips, things like that on that nice full body paint. We run a nice full length awning. So again, all Leprechaun awnings start from the back of the cab and run the full length of the coach to the very back of the coach, or 21 feet, whichever one comes first. As part of the Escalade package as well, you do have the optional side view cameras, which are mounted right here on the belt rail, so you can see down the full length of the blind spot. Got a couple storage compartments here on the side, on left and right, but then also as an option for an exterior TV on this model. Here at the entry door, does give you a nice screen door so you can enjoy the breeze on one of those nice days. On our core Leprechaun floor plans, we run the CRV Super Spring Ride. And what that is that's a helper spring that we've added to the rear suspension of this coach. And that's gonna help reduce body roll, rear end sag, and sway without compromising the ride because it's a self-adjusting helper spring. On this model here, we do have an option for an exterior kitchen with a sink, counter space, and a Greystone griddle. And this will actually pull out a little bit so you can get it away from your nice full body paint there. Swinging onto the back of the coach, new for 2026, we've added these nice docking lights, these rear backup lights here. And these are on a switch right at the entry door, kind of like your cap light. But what's also neat is the top 2/3 is going to be your turn signals and brake lights. This does have a 7,500 pound tow hitch on the E450 chassis, nice backup camera. You do have the Lippert ladder prep on the back here, and that basically gives you the ability to put an expanding ladder. And now I'll show you what's cool about the inside. So stepping inside here, we are at the cab of the coach where we'll start. So what's nice about the Leprechaun 260DS and on our standard core Leprechaun models is you do get the nice 10-inch touchscreen. That's gonna be your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. As an option, we do offer swivel seats up front here. You can spin these captain chairs around, and that way it gives you an extra seating space up front. So it's adding extra 2 comfortable seats without adding length to a coach. Up top here, nice big queen size bed. It's 57 by 95 across. With the 260DS and our core floor plans, you get a little storage and cup holders. Panning on over to the dinette, what's nice about Coachman Class C's is we offer this exclusive J Lounge. So you can utilize it as a U-shaped dinette. That's what this extra cushion is for. So now you can see it's set up as a U-shaped dinette. Here's your backrest. If you got multiple people that are sitting around. Stepping here into the kitchen on the Leprechaun 260DS, we've gone to this glass front stainless steel look fridge. It is a French door style refrigerator with a bottom freezer and a shelf. Got your range hood, your 3-burner gas cooktop, and then this is a convection air fryer microwave. So you do have the ability to air fry. Then behind this cabinet, you've got spot for your silverware drawer, and these are all slow close. This has the optional solid surface countertops, so man-made material, it's non-porous. Moving to the back of the coach, this is going to be your wardrobe. So what's nice about this is your wardrobe is accessible from either side. So you can come in this side or that side and you can get to your wardrobe. And the reason for that is because you have a separate bedroom door here to shut off the front from the back. So back here in the bedroom, we have an 80-inch by 60-inch wide bed. So unlike most Class C's you see in the market that are only 74, 75 inches, you have a full 80-inch length bed. Final stop here in the bathroom. We've gone to this lighted vanity mirror. What I really like about this is not only does it give you extra light, but if you press and hold the button, it'll change the hue from warm light to daylight. Step in the shower. It's a 24 by 32 inch shower. On our core conventional Leprechaun models is you do have shower miser. And what that gives you the ability to do is it gives you the ability to circulate the water while you're waiting for the water to get hot. This blue dot will turn white. Once that blue dot's white, close the door. You didn't waste any fresh water and you didn't fill your gray tank just waiting for the water to get hot. Thanks for joining me walking through the Leprechaun 260DS. Again, Dave Daniels, Coachman Class C's. We'll see you next time.